Space and time are flexible, relative to quote Einstein, and the universe is elastic. We can imagine it just like an elastic or rubber sheet, whose weave is made of the intertwining of the three dimensions of space with the dimension of time, for mutually dependent dimensions, therefore, an unimaginable thing for us, who moving at slow speed perceive time as an absolute flow, independent from everything. But since 4 dimensions are too many to draw and also to imagine, let's go back to our giant rubber mat, forgetting time for a moment. Celestial bodies with their mass bend the mat. The larger the mass, the more space is curved and deformed. The Earth, for example, rotates around the Sun because the latter, being very massive, causes a big deformation of the surrounding space. If we try to move in a straight line around the dip, we would in practice find ourselves going around in circles. That's how orbits work. There is no real force that keeps the planet orbiting around the Sun. There is only the curvature of the space. To be more precise, if we put time, our 4th dimension, back into the equation, what bends due to the mass of bodies is 4-dimensional space-time. Gravitational waves, then, are nothing more than the vibration of elastic sheet. They are produced whenever masses accelerate, thus modifying space-time deformation. Any object with mass or energy can cause gravitational waves. Even us. If we begin to dance around each other, we cause ripples in the space-time fabric. Only they are incredibly small, imperceptible. It takes very, very massive objects moving very, very quickly to produce ripples large enough to be detected. Such as black holes, for example, that are created when massive stars collapse on themselves because the reaction feeding them have come to an end. In black holes, the concentration of mass is as such to produce an incredible distortion of space-time. And when a black hole accelerates, the vibration generated can be heard here on Earth, thanks to highly sensitive gravitational antennas, such as Virgo, the interferometer of the Italo-French European Gravitational Observatory Consortium in the countryside near Pisa.